A cock and a dog set out on their travels together. By nightfall, they found themselves in a forest. The cock flew up into the tree and perched himself in a high branch, while the dog dozed below at the foot. When day finally dawned, the cock, as usual, crowed very loudly and drew the attention of the fox, who he thought would make a meal out of him. So he approached the tree and spoke to the cock from beneath the branches.
You're such a good little bird and most useful for your fellow creatures, so why don't you come down?
Go to the foot of the tree, my good friend,
replied the cock,
and tell my sacristan to toll the bell.
But when the fox approached the foot of the tree, the dog promptly jumped up and made a quick end of him. He who lays traps for others is often caught in his own snare.